Hi, I'm Max, your favorite pool park pool care professional, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your pool after it rains. First, you're going to want to test your pool water and make sure that all of your chemicals are balanced. Looks like our pH is a bit high here, so we're going to add in a bit of pH minus. Next, we're going to want to make sure that our tablets are refilled. Lastly, we're going to shock our pool with turbo shock chlorine. Feel free to add an algaecide to your pool to prevent algae growth. Also, run your filter as often as you can for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, leave us a like, and comment down below.